motherfuckers tryna steal my flow, but it ain't no thing, cause see my nigga Coolio put me up on the...
So y'all, I'm finna get ready to pull up on my homeboy J Food. Check out, see what this whip talking about. We've been putting in a whole lot of work. We're gonna see if it's paying off or if it's just bullshit now.
Give my little breaks and shit.
Yeah, man, we got GwapLife and Guap boys. We out here working. As y'all can see, my man J Food, C10. We coming, buddy. We is coming. Yeah. Everything new. For sure. Big boy motor. Big boy. Yeah. You see the owner.
Yes, sir.
You see the owner. What you running for?
They'll see. They'll see. It's a secret right now.
Say less. Say less. We working.
Pull up. That's all we gotta say.
We working.
Pull up.
We working. For sure. Ooh.
Use brakes and all that shit, you can change your motherfucking self. All you gotta do is take that whole drum apart. The whole, the brake pads and everything, break it down to the motherfucking ring. They got the plates where that shit will mount right back up, nigga.
Yeah.
Do it yourself.
Street performance. Y'all know how we rocking. I'm telling you. Thinking this a game.
You know how this shit came, bro. You know, young niggas back in the day, 2009. You know what I'm saying? We had the Box Chevy. Hell, we got 305s, man. We running 350s here. You know what I'm
moving
saying?
on up now.
Shit, start seeing that donk shit, the donk world. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get a part of it now, bro. You know what I'm saying? We done matured a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Elevated. Money right. Shit, it's time to get it, nigga. It's been a hobby, my nigga. Don't act like this shit new. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's been in us. You feel me? Researching, man. Researching, nigga. Guap shit, nigga. Been out here.
Yes, sir. 2021, man, we're gonna be on the track. Hopefully we got some big things coming.
Yes, sir.
And God gonna make sure he see us through. You bet your ass on that. Yes, sir. Until next time, boys. Day 2. I'm down here with my other homeboy, my nigga Tavis. We finna see what this truck talking about. Told y'all, man, we putting in work. What you got going over here, bro?
Man, take it easy, man. I got a 5'3", you know what I'm saying? A 5'3", and that's right here, you know what I'm saying?
5'3".
Light dip.
Light dip.
Yeah, first LS swap, motor car, yeah. Colors coming soon, turbo.
Turbo, hey.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You hear that thing? Woo. Yeah, we're gonna take a little cruise, see what she do. You know, console. Yeah, we right. We got oil pressure. We're gonna go stupid. taking a little cruise. You know, something like a tested tune day. You just bullshit.
Yeah, 2 years now. Yeah, we 2 years ahead of the game. Yeah, we looked at 2 years ago, homie. Yeah, 2 years ago. And she ain't got 1,000 miles on it. Yeah, but 2021 though, loud pressure, man. Loud pressure, man. Some of y'all away with that shit, man.
2 years ago, man. Y'all hear that? 2 years ago, man. 2 years ago. How many miles? What's up with y'all, man? We back at you. You know, GwapLife 24/7. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what we got going, man. We got the whip. As y'all can see, all the other guys, you know, everybody working, you know. It's all a working process, you know. Shit. Biggest thing is getting her home. When I get that tire, next thing you know, she's off to the shop, man. Got my interior in the interior shop getting done. You see that coming real soon. You know, you got to start somewhere, man. Big block going in that thing. We got to put the big block in there. You know, shit. We're gonna make something shake. Back on the channel, and we working. All the players over with, it's time to get to work. You feel me? I got me a 78 Box Chevy. You know she going on them 26-inch Forgiatos, man. So, man, we took the engine out this thing. We did have a 305. We're going with some big shit. You know, all new suspension. All that. So, man, like I said, man, we've been looking at a couple engines. You know, I really don't know what I want to get yet. It's all a work in process. We're gonna start with the body first. So, man, if y'all know any good body people, you know, any suggestions to help, you know, get this thing sent off and start doing some real work to it, you know, getting that body shot. But on the heart wise, you know, we've been looking at a couple big blocks, a couple small blocks. I really don't know what we're gonna get into right now, but just know it is gonna be that thunderclap. I can promise you that. My nigga Blue on the way. My nigga Fool on the way, my nigga Perp on the way. I'm telling. Run. Got them cats fighting. Oh, hell no. Okay, so y'all, man, y'all let me know, you know, any good interior people. You know, got my shit sent out to the interior shop, man. Gonna try to see if I can get done what I need done. I got a man that's gonna make me a center console, you know, so probably, I got the whole bench seats. So what I probably do, I probably get a console right here. All this be left, you feel me? We're gonna gut it out, we're gonna redo it, paint the door jambs, we're gonna do it like no other, man. This gonna be that one, man. GwapLife 24/7, when we hit that track, y'all boys gonna know we is serious. Do you hear me? My niggas got the C10s. I'm gonna pull up in that Box Chevy. My nigga gonna pull up in that Ford. Ooh, these niggas in trouble. So, man, as y'all can see, I just gave y'all a tour on what we got going on. Everybody that whips, GwapLife 24/7. We're a team. You feel me? 2021. We're going through the roof, man. So make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss the updates on all the whips and what we got going on. You see anything, you know what I'm saying, you know anybody, let me know. Leave a comment down below, man.
We'll catch y'all on the next one.